Hello everyone and welcome to Electronic Product Query Management System, a database project made by Gauravdeep Singh, Gurleen Kaur and Gunjan Basra. This is an IMS project submitted to Ms. Sukhchandra Randhawa for evaluation. Now the following languages and tools were used in making of this project. MySQL, which is used for creating the database and the tables. PHP, which is used to connect the database with the web pages in the backend, and of course Word, Excel, and WordPad, which are used to store codes, login credentials, and data regarding the project. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript were used to create the front end of the project, and to link it all with each other, we used WAMP server. Now let's see the working of the project. Now this is the login page of the query form in which the customer enters his login ID and password to fill up his form. This is the page in which the customer fills his query in the product inquiry form, and as you can see there are many columns and categories in which a person can report his query. Let us take an example of a person named Rakesh Kumar. As you can see, he enters his full name, his email ID, his contact number, his date, the city in which he is living, and his location. In the category, he fills as a TV, his model number or the model of the TV, and finally in the query form, he fills his complaint or any query which he has been facing. And he finally clicks submit, and as you can see the query has been added. Now let me show you the back end of the project. Now this is the WAMP server page in which we click PHP myadmin to show the admin page of the database, in which as you can see the database has been named as Gauravdeep, in which the following tables have been created: customer table, order table, product management, query, admin, and some test tables. On the customer table, we have the following IDs which can be used to enter the login page of the front end. Now, this is the query table in which, as you can see, the following query has been added by Rakesh Kumar, and all the respective credentials has been added. Finally, let us summarize the working of the project. This project is useful for online service providers and every industry which needs to be regular in contact with customer to provide support and resolve queries. It involves selling and service of spare electronic items and handling queries from its customers. Using this system, organizations can improve business and get closer to the customer. When a customer raises a complaint or a query which lands in a common query box, our system mandates certain formatting of subject line which can be used to forward this concern to its respective department. The query is then replied back by the support executives. The conversation happens to and forth until the complaint is resolved. The performance of the project is an efficient one because of the technologies used in it. In present scenario, customer service systems are mostly used in telecom companies and software companies. This application is implemented with basic features which are present in all customer service related sites. It reduces manual work, the data is secured, and it is very easy to retrieve old records. Thank you.